My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Alright, I'm gonna create a really pretty like pink duochrome like spring look, and I know this is crazy, but you remember those things called eye primers? Like not concealer, but an actual eye primer. I think I want to use one today. It's been so long since I've used an eye primer. I've just always been using concealer that I like completely forgot what it's like to use a primer and if it does work better or not as effective. I'm trying to decide. I have a couple Too Faced ones and then I have an Urban Decay one. I don't want to do the one with the illumination. Okay, I'm going to use this Too Faced Shadow Insurance LEMONDROP Color Correcting Primer. This is like a yellow base and just corrects like any redness or like purplish from veins. Used some of the Candlelight on the lid if it would help any with the shimmer shades. Let's just try it. So just like a concealer, I'm not going to set it, but let's see how this works. So I'm going to use the JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette for most of the shades, not all of them, but I really do like the pinks and purples that I want to use. So I'm going to start off with Positivity. This kind of like pinkish coral as our transition shade. And I'm going to use, this is like my ride or die like favorite blending brush of all time, this Makeup Forever blending brush. And so I set it in my outer corner, press down, and then I blend upwards. And then I'll start like in the middle of the crease once I have some of that product in the outer corner. Oh my god, I've been having the worst back spasms. Oh my gosh, I can't even bend over. That's why I just grabbed another mirror and trying, instead of cleaning my other one, because my Windex is in the bottom drawer and I can't bend over to get it. So as far as the primer goes, I feel like it's doing a good job of like hanging on to the shadows. It is a little bit like patchy to work with, but it is the first layer, so I'm kind of expecting that, or I kind of expected that, because that's what happens with most shadows on the first layer, which is why we like to keep it as light as possible. But she doesn't have very many light transition shades in this palette. There's like 6 medium warm browns, but yeah, no like really light transition shades other than those, and those aren't light, not to me at least. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Lolli Mama, this kind of like, it's a pink with a slight of like purple in it, and a Morphe 518, so just a more tapered blending brush, and put that a little tighter in our crease. And I'm trying to look down without closing my eyes so that I can make my eye space as large as possible to get in there with those shadows. And I think I'm gonna flick it out a little bit because I'm gonna do like a semi-cut crease. So now I'm gonna take a really tapered blending brush. This is a Morphe B80, and go in with Dance Party, which is this really pretty, like, kind of magenta, pink purple. And really put that tight in her crease. There's no denying these mattes are bomb. No denying that at all. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm not really sure how it's gonna turn out, but it's something I wanted to try. I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Strawberry Milk, and I'm just gonna kind of like start to carve out where I would want like my cut crease. We don't really need like a primer for the shadow we're going to be putting down. I just want to kind of get that shape ready. Oh, that looks pretty just like that too, if you wanted to be more natural. Alright, you know your girl is not natural. Far from it. I'm going to take my STILA Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in Sunset Cove. This is like one of my all-time favorite shades. This is actually my second one. Ugh, I just love this color so much. It's like an iridescent pink with gold reflex. So we're just gonna put that on our lid now, where I tried to carve out with that pencil. Oh, it looks really pretty. And these go on like so beautifully just with the wand they give you. There's only one that I had an issue with it being patchy, and it was Beauty Junkie. Like, it's still a gorgeous color and it looks great if you use like a little brush to apply it, but all the other ones I've tried, like, they go on beautifully with just what it came with. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry just a little bit and then work on the lower lash line in the meantime. So I'm gonna take this ColourPop BFF cream gel liner in Boots. I always go out of frame when I do this, so I'm trying to make sure I don't. So now I'm gonna go in with, we're gonna go in with Lolli Mama again. And a little bit of Dance Party in like the outer third. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with Stay True, this kind of maroon purple down here, and put that in the outer corner, the outer V, and blend it in with that STILA shadow. Go in with a little bit of Not My Journey too. I'm dipping it in Stay True first, and then Not My Journey. But first I just go in with Stay True. I just add a little bit of that purple just to deepen it up a little bit more. now I'm going to touch up the STILA shadow. To highlight the brow bone, do I dare try that shadow? I don't know. What the hell? Let's try it. Let's see if it can be used as a brow bone highlight. So I'm gonna try to use I'm in it, and if you saw my first impressions of this palette, I tried to put this on the lid and it did not work at all. It became really like cracky and had lines in it, and it just did not look good. Okay, that looks okay. That's not what I'm going for, but I guess you just have to use it as a brow bone highlight. So I'm gonna go in with my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Coco Bling. Oh, this highlighter is life. Like, wow, damn, look at that. And I will use this for my inner corner as well once I'm done with the rest of my makeup. I was going to use some magnetic eyeliner and lashes, but I can't find the glue that goes with the set I like. I have the LEMONDROP magnetic glue, but I do not like it. It doesn't work that well. So how about I'm going to use these Morphe lashes in Seductress after I finish the rest of my makeup. Alright, I will be back. Oh, and I'm gonna curl my lashes, put mascara on, all that good stuff, and all that jazz. You guys don't need my help with that one. Alright. Woo! It's hot in here. These lights make it ridiculously hot. Okay, so for a lip, I used, that felt really good actually. Hold on, let's see if I can talk and fan at the same time. I used this NYX lip liner in Dolly Pink, and then on the majority of the lip, oh my god, my back. I have to take my FMLA paperwork to the doctor tomorrow because we can only miss 3 days a year, and I've already missed 3 because of my back pain. So I need to get FMLA. Okay, so for the majority of the lip, I put this JEFFREE Star liquid lipstick in DIVA on, and then over it, but mainly in the center, I used this YSL lipstick in number 22. And I also think, if that wasn't enough, I'm going to add a little bit of this Anastasia Diamond Lip Gloss. Just like in the center, just to kind of make the center of our lips look a little fuller. Here's the completed look. I am obsessed with how it came out. This is definitely one of my favorite STILA Glitter and Glow eyeshadows, and I do really like the JACLYN and Morphe Hill mattes, so I think the look came together really nice. Let me know what you guys think down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.